Patrick from PALS. This is our 66 Corvette, and we're getting ready to start the engine for the first time. This engine represents raw, unadulterated power. It is going to be awesome. It's going to have 435 horsepower and 467 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 383 V8. This engine will make this car go down the road very, very quickly. And we have the brakes on it to stop it. Wilwood brakes have been around for a long time. These are 6 piston calipers. Originally the car had 4 piston calipers. So not only will the car go fast, it will stop securely. If you have a car that is a project and you need it completed, bring it to PALS. See you soon.